Well, to ask the question is to answer it. So if you are questioning whether something is in your circle of competence, trust me, it is not in your circle of competence. So because what Buffett says is that the most important thing is uh, to operate within your circle of competence, and ideally you don't want to operate near the edges. You want to operate dead center, uh, and so it should be obvious that something is within that circle.
How
You
have
know,
you
like I gave the example in that Google talk about that billionaire John Arriaga who
Sure.
only buys real estate within 2 miles of Stanford. I think anytime he looks at something in about 3 seconds, he's answered the question of whether it's in circle of competence. And once he gets 5 miles from the center, he knows he's outside the circle. Yeah, that's a good question. I mean, I would say that in fact the idea I'm researching now, uh, that's a question that's twirling in my head, in the sense that there are some aspects of the business that I understand, and some aspects I'm trying to understand, and there's enough there that is prompting me not to give up. But I would say that I would not make the investment if I cannot, within 3 sentences, nail down exactly kind of what the bottom line is. You know, what's going to happen here, and what type of money we're likely to make, and what time frame, and all of that, and so on. Uh, so I think the good news of the circle of competence is that, unlike being a basketball player or something where after 30 or something you're going to start declining, here in investing you're going to keep improving over your whole lifetime, and over your whole lifetime that circle is gradually going to increase in size just by default, because and it'll especially increase in size each time you lose money, because that'll really teach you a whole bunch of stuff. And the key is not to focus on trying to increase the size of the circle. The key is to that'll happen by osmosis, but the key is to work very hard to always stay well within the circle.